So there was once upon a time where I farted in public, where there was an ATM machine, and this lady I did not know about was standing to the stall to the right of me, and she looked over and she said, "Wow," and I said, "Well, yeah."
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right, so I get this loud screech. I'm on virtual DJ, and I fixed it before, and I'm trying to fix it again. And so went on YouTube, typed in fix microphone frequency, and I came across this video here how to make your microphone louder. And I remember having to go to control panel and the sound. So sound. Um, I had to enable something properties. Try that. Enable. Hold on. Property. Advanced. Enable audio enhancements. Unclick it. Okay. Okay. Go back to virtual DJ. Okay. And I hear it echo. I'm gonna upload this video and I'm gonna put it on a playlist